As healthcare costs continue to rise, it's important to find smart, tax-efficient ways to prepare, both for today's expenses and for what may come in retirement. One tool that's often overlooked but extremely powerful is the Health Savings Account, or HSA. If you're enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, an HSA could be a great way to take advantage of three key tax benefits. First, your contributions are tax-deductible. Second, your earnings grow tax-deferred. And third, any withdrawals you make for qualified medical expenses are completely tax-free. That's a rare combination, and it can mean a meaningful difference in your long-term saving strategy. You don't need to be working to contribute. There's no income limit, and if you're age 55 or older, you can even make a catch-up contribution. You can also invest your HA funds in mutual funds, stocks, or bonds, just like your retirement accounts. The deadline to make a contribution is April 15th each year. Mark your calendar to take advantage of this long-term saving strategy. If you'd like a simple step-by-step guide to help you get started, download our resource, Contributing to a Health Savings Account in 5 Easy Steps. It's available below this video. And of course, if you have questions or want to know if an HSA makes sense for your plan, contact us today. We're here to help. RFG Wealth Advisory in Argyle, Texas is an independent, fee-only, registered investment advisory firm that always puts our clients' interests first. We have a transparent, simple fee structure that's easy to understand. Call us today.